Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
D square plus 4 of y, that is equal to sin 3x plus cos 2x. D square plus 5d minus 6 of y, that is equal to sin 4x sin x. How to solve such type of differential equations? Today we discuss the concept and problems on sin ax or cos ax. What friends? Concept and problems on sin ax or cos ax. Let us see the concept first, friends. Type 2, f of x, that is equal to sin ax or cos ax. Sin ax or cos ax. What about a, friends? Here, what about a? A is constant. A is constant. Please remember. Now, particular integral. Okay, particular integral form is 1 by f of d square. Okay, friends, 1 by f of d square into f of x, that is equal to 1 by f of d square. What is f of x here? Sin x. So you simply write sin x here. That is equal to 1 by f of minus a square. What, friends? F of minus a square. Please remember here, it is not minus a whole square, friends. It is just minus a square. Okay, remember sin ax, and provided here f of minus a square is not equal to 0. Now you may have a doubt arise, friends, here. That is, suppose if we have 1 by d plus 1 into sin ax, friends, sin ax, then how can I replace? There is no d square. There we have d, friends. How can we replace? Come on. Simply here you rationalize, friends, the denominator. What is rationalizing factor here? D minus 1. So you write here d minus 1 divided by d plus 1 into d minus 1 into sin ax. Then we get here d a plus b into a minus b, friends. So a square minus b square. So we get here d square. Simply replace, friends, and then you operate d minus 1 on sin ax, friends. Then we get the required particular integral. Okay, friends. Suppose in case there is a d cube, friends, d cube plus 1. Now this d square can be written as, friends, 1 by d into d square, friends. If there is a d4, it can be written as d square into d square. Okay, d power 5, d square into d. Okay, friends, in this way we are applying, okay, the concept of sin ax, friends. And please remember here, whenever there is a d square, then only we are replacing this constant, friends. Otherwise we cannot. Okay, right. If there is a d, we are simply rationalizing. If there is a d cube, we can write d into d square. In this way we can find the particular integral, particularly sin ax or cos ax, friends. Right. Now here he provided f of minus a square. F of minus a square is not equal to 0. If f of minus a square is equal to 0, friends, then d square, 1 by f of d square sin ax, that is equal to, simply write here x and differentiate denominator with respect to d and replace d square by minus a square, that is f dash of minus a square into sin x, provided here also f dash at minus a square is not equal to 0. Okay, friends, once again the concept is here. Concept is here 1 by f of d square sin ax, friends. Whenever there is a d square, then only we replace with a, friends, with a. If there is 2, we are replacing 2 square, minus 2 square. Okay, if there is d, then we are rationalizing the denominator, thereby we get d square, simply replace, friends, and then operate d minus 1 on sin ax. Okay, and if f of minus a square is not equal to 0 here, if it is equal to 0, then its particular integral is simply x by what, friends? X by, you differentiate denominator with respect to d and replace with constant, friends. So we get here f dash at minus a square into sin x. This is the required particular integral. This is the concept of when f of x that is equal to sin ax or cos ax, friends. Let us see one problem on the trigonometric functions. Solve the differential equation d square plus 4 of y that is equal to sin 3x plus cos 2x, sin 3x plus cos 2x. Let us see the solution, friends. Solution. What is complete solution, friends? That is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. You highlight the formula, friends, always. So first one is complementary function. So it is already in symbolic form, friends. So you write here auxiliary equation. So what is auxiliary equation? Means y coefficient that is equal to 0. So d square plus 4 that is equal to 0. That implies d square is equal to minus 4, that is equal, it can be written as 4i square. That implies d is equal to plus or minus, we get here 2i. d is equal plus or minus 2i. Now it is like alpha plus or minus I beta, friends. You can watch the video on formula, friends. So what is alpha value? Alpha value is 0. So beta value is 2. So complementary function e power alpha x, alpha value is 0, friends, 0. So 0 into x into c1 cos beta x, beta means 2. So 2x plus c2 sin beta x, beta means here, beta means 2. To x. You highlight this complementary function, friends. Right. Now particular integral 1 by d square plus 4 into what is function here? Sin 3x plus cos 2x, friends, cos 2x. So that is equal to 1 by, multiply, friends, d square plus 4 into sin 3x plus 1 by d square plus 4 into cos 2x. That is equal to, see, friends, here replace d square by minus 3 square. I want to write here minus 3 square plus 4 into sin 3x, that is, plus whenever I replace here, we get minus 2 square, minus 4, friends. So in this case, you write x here divided by differentiated denominator with respect to d. So we get here 2d, derivative of constant is 0. So we get only 2d into cos 2x. Now here minus 3 square means we get minus 9 plus 4, minus 5 sin 3x. that is equal to minus 1 by 5 sine 3x sine 3x plus x by 2 into here, x by 2 into 1 by d means integrating, friends. Okay, 1 by d means integration. So x by 2 into integral of cos 2x plus x by 2 into 1 by d means integral of cos 2x into dx, cos 2x into dx. So that is equal to minus 1 by 5 sine 3x plus x by 2 into integral of cos 2x is exactly sine 2x by 2, sine 2x by 2. This is the required particular integral of given problem, friends. So complete solution y that is equal to, what is complementary function here? Complementary c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x, right here, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus particular integral minus 1 by 5 sin 3x minus 1 by 5 sin 3x plus x by 2 into 2 4, so x sin 2x by 4, which is the required solution of given problem, friends. You highlight the solution always, don't forget, friends. Okay, once again, so far we done in case 1, friends. It is e power ax form. Now it is trigonometric function, friends, trigonometric function. So here also the complete solution is complementary function plus particular integral. So complementary function, first you write a symbolic form. So it is already in the symbolic form, friends, in terms of d. So auxiliary equation, right, and we get roots here plus or minus 2i. So here alpha value is 0, beta value is 2. So complementary function is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Particular integral 1 by d square plus 4, you write this one, friends, and separate it. Okay, in first one we get directly, friends, answer solution, but here the value is 0. So what is procedure? You write x in the numerator divided by, you differentiate denominator with respect to d, friends. So derivative of d square is 2d plus derivative of 4 is 0 into cos 2x. Okay, now in the next case here 1 by d means here integration, so integral of cos 2x, so we get here sin 2x by 2. Simplify it, finally we get particular integral. So you add complementary function and particular integral, we get the required solution of given problem. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.